Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to witness impressive sounds from the world of forestry machinery? From the powerful noise of giant machines to the vibrations as they cut and crush huge tree trunks, every moment is filled with drama. Let's get started. Thanks to its flexible crawler, the FTX 300 easily operates on complex terrain. Ideal for mining projects that require high performance. Oh my god, do you see the power of this Timber Pro? This is true power, a true beast mode. Completely different. Congratulations to Nate Hodges for his great performance with a 310 horsepower engine that helps handle trees and large materials. The optimized hydraulic system reduces working time, while the anti-vibration and air-conditioned cabin provides comfort. For large tree stumps, the Tora STX-6 is the ideal choice. With a powerful engine and compact design, the machine helps easily handle large and hard tree stumps, bringing high efficiency in work. Sometimes, I wonder how long this would have taken 100 years ago. That morning, a group of forestry workers needed to clear fallen tree stumps after the storm, and the SC70TX was ready. The sound of the engine resonates as the machine grinds to a depth up to feet 11.76 inches, easily handling any obstacle. Grunbaum Lumberjack LJ 450 are powerful and versatile tree shearers, ideal for forestry work that requires precision and high performance. Each steel arm reached out, clamped down on the heavy wooden trunks, then gently lifted and moved them skillfully. No one knows who she is. Oh, it's breathtaking. This scene takes place in Peru, right on the shore of the Pacific Ocean. It's unclear what the excavator is planning to do on the beach. But whatever it is, that plan will definitely have to wait for him to fix his problem. Such performances attract attention thanks to the large size and incredible power of the K700. A sudden powerful explosion occurred, causing drivers and passengers in the following cars to panic. A pontoon bridge in China cannot bear the weight of a truck, leaving the driver no other choice but to abandon the vehicle and witness the unfortunate end from afar. Caterpillar to 4H bulldozer. Had a tire blow out while working in a hole, but continued to move more than 10 kilometers to return to the warehouse to change the tire. The durability of the equipment and driving skills help complete this not-so-easy distance. What makes the Gazelle like this? Join us in this spectacle. Which song do you think will win? I think his chainsaw blades might be a bit dull, considering the amount of heat they generate. Have you heard about this car? It's truly huge and impressive. This is the fastest tree harvesting machine world, capable of processing entire forests effectively and quickly. You know, like when you see a tree fall and think, oh, it's safe now, but it's not. It's scary. Perhaps he was carrying more than the allowed load, or is this a new unique parking style? Anyway, I hope this problem won't happen again next time. With the outstanding power of the Printed M650 Forestry crusher combined, and with the stability of Fend Global, crushing tree stumps becomes easy and fast, turning any difficult area into flat ground.